What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennium Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going through our whole dividend portfolio and the dividends we received for the month of March. Now, we are nearing the end of March, but we are still waiting on a couple of payments. But without further ado, let's hop right into the dividends. If you guys are hyped for this video and hyped to see an update on my portfolio, make sure you smash that like button. Really does help out the channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we post here at least 2 times per week, every Sunday and every Tuesday, and sometimes I'll post a third video. You guys can stay up to date on my dividend journey to $100,000. We are far away, but we will get there one day, so make sure you guys are following the journey. Now let's hop right into the dividends I received for the month of March. So we have it pulled up here, and we're starting us off strong with Intel. We received on March 1st, we received $20.62 from Intel for holding 56.5 shares. We received about 36 cents per share for a total amount of $20.62. Then next up, on March 2nd, we received the dividend payment from QYLD, which was $35.68. We received 20 cents per share for holding 176.5 shares. And that brings our dividend total for March so far, just in the first 2 days, to $56.30. Next payment we go. We skip all the way to March 14th. We received from 3M, which was $13.41. Now we received $13.41 for holding 9 shares of 3M at $1.49 per share. This did get reinvested back into 3M, just like the one that Intel did. But QYLD, I invested into other things, which we will go over in our next dividend portfolio update. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That brings our dividend total for the month of March so far up to $69.71. Now let's go to the fourth payment of the month, which was Realty Income. We received $13.33 from Realty Income for holding a total of 54.06 shares. We received almost 25 cents per share for, like I said, a total of $13.33. This, again, did get reinvested back into Realty Income, and that brings our total dividends for the month of March so far to $83.04. Next up, we received $34.94 from Valet. Now, I did completely sell off my position in Valet, and we will go over why in the next video when I do my dividend portfolio update. We will go into exactly why we sold out and what we bought instead of it. But I got $34.94 for holding a little over 48 shares at about 72 cents per share. And that brings our grand total for the month of March up to $117.98. Now, on March 25th, we received a dividend from Lockheed Martin just for holding one share, a little over one share, for $2.82. This will get reinvested into Lockheed Martin tomorrow when the market does open. And that brings our grand total for the month of March to $120.80. And for the last dividend payment, which we will receive on March 29th, is once again from QYLD. They are paying us twice this month, and we will receive $37.03 for holding a total of 176.6 shares. We will receive almost 21 cents per share, and that brings our grand total to $157.83 for the month of March, making it our second highest dividend month ever. Now let's hop right over to the spreadsheet and take a look at everything going on there. So here we go. We have the spreadsheet pulled up here. Let's go over to our dividend totals. So as you can tell, so far in the year, we've made $406.86. So not too bad there. So we already beat out our total from last year, which was, so in the first 3 months, we beat out last year's total of 7 months, which is really fantastic. We already beat that out. I'm very excited to see what the total is for for the year of 2022. I would love to see what's going on there. And then we have a little passive income update. So far we have about $2,027 in passive income. Now this is including my dividends and also my interest on any interest-bearing accounts such as my crypto. So this is just some charts. So far, as we can see, that's pretty decent here in 2022 so far. I'm very happy with these dividends. We're going to see if we can keep this up and potentially get more so it goes even higher towards the end of the year. But here we go with the chart, checking out how this looks. So far with my passive income, I am making $5.55 per day in passive income, which translates to $38.98 per week in passive income, which translates to $168.92 per month in passive income, and that translates to 23 cents every single hour of passive income. That means I'm making 23 cents every single hour I'm alive, just of not doing anything for absolutely nothing. That's how much I am making. So almost a quarter for every time. I'm hoping I could definitely bring that up. I would love to see that hit $1. And my work hourly passive income, so this is for a 40-hour work week, I am making 97 cents an hour, so I could pretty much add that to my pay rate, and I'm pretty much giving myself almost $1 raise just for holding this passive income. So pretty good there. Now let's take a look at the monthly dividend payers. We have QYLD with another huge month. As you can tell here, we had a huge month in January, now a huge month in March. And we're going to see if we can continue this. I really do like that they're giving us 2 dividend payments this month. That means they may not give us one next month, which is what I'm probably thinking. But not too shabby there. If they don't, we still did pretty well for this month for QYLD. And next we have Realty Income. This one just keeps growing on a monthly basis. Every single month it gets bigger and bigger. And we did get a dividend raise this month from Realty Income. So next month it should go and take effect and should be just a little bit higher, even though I have not added any more shares besides reinvesting the dividends. Now we are going to go over to track your dividends and take a look at the whole entire portfolio. It's currently sitting at just over $25,000, and we are doing pretty well. So my dividend yield is 5.11%. My yield on cost is 5.14%, so definitely pulled up from there. We have been doing pretty well buying at the bottom. Annual income of $1,297 and a portfolio beta of 0.87. Now, this is just some of my portfolio, and I'm not going to dive too far into it just because we are going to do a whole dividend stock portfolio update very soon, and that's where I will go over all the positions I'm holding and how many shares I'm holding of each company. But let's just take a look at this, view upcoming dividends. So we were expecting a pretty decent month for the month of March over here. We did come in a little bit higher just because we received 2 dividend payments from QYLD. Next month, we're looking at a pretty slow month. Track Your Dividends is estimating $58 for next month. I think it may be a little bit higher. I'm trying to think. Let's see. It'll probably be a little bit lower if we don't get payment from QYLD next month. It will definitely be lower. So next month we're not looking at too many dividends. We will have JP Morgan coming through, and we will have Realty Income coming through. But other than that, not looking for too many. But then after that, May is going to be a huge month, probably our highest month ever. And so we're definitely looking forward to that. But that is going to about wrap up the video here. If you guys did enjoy it and you love hearing these videos and these updates, how much money I am making every single month from my dividends, make sure you smash that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? We do these videos just like this one, or stock analysis, twice a week, every Sunday and every Tuesday. Sometimes I'll throw in an extra video for you guys. I really appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.